Welcome to AppStylePress. We have shared infinite carousel and slider tutorials with and without jQuery plugins, but this jQuery plugin is specifically built for Marquee-like sliding effect for images and text. It's got its unique use cases, so this tutorial is about that. Plugin name is jQuery Marquee. CDN is JSDeliver. About the images, they say that if you are using images in Marquee, sometimes the plugin cannot calculate accurate widths while images are still loading. You can try window.load function instead of document.ready function. So they have mentioned it already. Better to use window load function instead of document.ready. For jQuery 3, it will be window on load. This is the CDN link. So the options are allow CSS3 support, CSS3 easing, if you use jQuery easing plugin, delay before start, direction, duplicated, should the marquee be duplicated to show an effect of continuous flow, duration, speed, gap, pause on hover, pause on cycle, start visible. I will use this CDN link for the library. So this is my HTML, marquee wrapper div and jQuery marquee div. Inside we have images. At the bottom, jQuery script and jQuery marquee plugin script. And then window on load function, jQuery marquee. jQuery marquee is our div, this jQuery marquee. And then we have initialized marquee on this div that has got images inside it. And here is the result. Right now it looks like this. This is the marquee. Marquee looks like this with default options. For the styles, CSS styles for the wrapper div and images. I set wrapper div to display none. We will show it when content will be fully loaded. For images, I set the max height and margin. For before and after pseudo elements, I have applied a color background gradient so that images look like appearing from corners. It's a nice effect to have. So after window load, we'll use marquee wrapper.fadeIn. If I refresh, it looks like this right now. And then to fine tune our slider, here are the settings for the slider. Duration 20 thousandths, gap 0, delay before start 0, direction left, duplicated true for continuous motion, pause and hover true, start visible true, CSS3 easing linear. And it looks like this right now. If I reloads like this, and this continuous motion, and there will be no break now. So if I change it to 1000, see, there is no break. It's continuous. You can use text or images. Best approach is to use text and images that fill the available area. Let me show you example with the text. Instead of these images, I will use this text. And see, here is the ticker with the text. It will also be continuous. Let me revert that. You can control speed by changing duration. This is jQuery plugin, so it can be used anywhere where jQuery is supported. For other jQuery plugins and CSS only approach for the sliders, see links in video description. Questions? Ask in comments section. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.